Hello, welcome. Come along, let's provide answer to this. Given that m equals to one whole number 6 on 7 and n equals to two whole number 11 on 28, we have to find the number x, which is exactly halfway between m and n. So we halfway between m and n simply means in a midpoint, at the midpoint of m and what? N. How will I get a midpoint? If I add the two numbers divided by 2. Or I can say that x is equals to halfway of m plus what? N. Halfway of that. If I add the 2 divided by 2 will give me the same as what? Half times their sum. So this will just be half of m, which is, let me repeat, the one whole number 6 on 7 plus two whole number 11 on what? 28. Let's see how we can expand that. So this will become 1 on 2. I think this we don't need calculator. This will be 7 plus 6. That will be 13 on 7. Then we have 2 times 28. That will give you 56 plus 11. That will be 67 on 28. Alright, so now we need to make the denominators the same. So here, 7 is a factor of 28. That is what? By 4. So I'll only have my x equals to 1 on 2. If I multiply 13 by 4, I still have 52 divided by 4 times this 7 will be 28 plus 67, 28. I am only making the first fraction to have the same denominator as the second one. So since they have the same denominator, we only add 52 plus what? 67. And that is going to give us half of the numerator will become 119 divided by 28. Remember, when we are multiplying by half or by a fraction, the numerators multiply together, then the denominators also multiply what? Together. So this is going to be 56. Now, 119 on 56 can also be reduced further, and that will be giving us 17 on 8. In terms of mixed fraction, I think 16 times 16 is what? 8 times 2. So 2 whole number, 1 on 8. Or in terms of decimal, it should be 2 point. This will give you 125. So either we are leaving the answer in this form or in this form. This will be the final representation of x being halfway of m and x. Again, this is clear. Don't forget to like the video, comment on this, subscribe, and share with your friends and people on your contact list for us to get abreast with what is happening. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.